may isang superstar PBA player na naglalaro sa MVP Group. May-ari siya ng legitimate construction company na Build and Sell. 4 yata ang company niya. Tapos, a lot of his properties na nabenta nandoon sa Executive Village. Very high-end neighborhood.
Teka, may identifier ka na niyan.
No, but here's the thing. He is not involved. Mabait na tao. Allegedly, nilapitan daw siya to have an opportunity to do business with this DPWH-related projects. Pero hindi siya sumama. I think his gut told him, from what I was told, his gut told him na, baka may hocus-pocus yan. Dito lang ako sa amin, happy naman ako. I don't have to make super millions, but it's honest, hardworking money. So, I'm a big fan of this player. Lalo ako humanga when I found out na ito ang ginawa niya. Na hindi siya nagsakom sa temptation. So, anyway, so yun lang muna.